Welcome to Money Top Videos, Unlocking Financial Wisdom, a journey through 8 timeless masterpieces. We're delving into the profound insights of 8 influential books on economics and personal finance. These classics offer invaluable guidance for financial success, catering to seasoned investors, aspiring entrepreneurs, and anyone aiming to enhance financial literacy. Let's explore the enduring advice within each book, guiding you towards prosperity. The General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money by Maynard Keynes, published in 1936, fundamentally changed economic thinking by challenging classical economics. Keynes argues that aggregate demand drives economic activity and that insufficient demand leads to unemployment and economic downturns. He advocates for active government intervention through fiscal and monetary policies to manage economic cycles and stimulate demand. Key points explained. 1. Aggregate demand. Keynes posits that total spending in the economy, aggregate demand, determines overall economic activity. When aggregate demand is low, businesses reduce production, leading to unemployment and economic stagnation. Conversely, high aggregate demand stimulates production and employment. 2. Government intervention. Keynes argues that during economic downturns, government intervention is necessary to boost aggregate demand. This can be achieved through increased public spending, tax cuts, and other fiscal policies. By injecting money into the economy, the government can stimulate demand and help recover from recessions. 3. Fiscal and monetary policies. Keynes emphasizes the importance of using both fiscal policy, government spending and taxation, and monetary policy, control of the money supply and interest rates, to influence economic activity. During recessions, expansionary fiscal and monetary policies can help increase demand and reduce unemployment. 4. Foundation of macroeconomics. Keynes's ideas laid the groundwork for modern macroeconomics. His theories on aggregate demand, government intervention, and economic cycles have influenced economic policies worldwide, leading to the development of Keynesian economics. Stay tuned, and make sure to catch all 8 videos to unlock the full spectrum of financial wisdom. Next up, Book 5. A Tract on Monetary Reform by Maynard Keynes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have.